Hello guys, hello everyone. Today I got amazing hitchhike in northern western Greece, and I'm going to beautiful small city named Veria. Thank you. Where is living about 50,000 people. It's very lovely city, small, beautiful and cozy. Here you can see park, local beautiful girls. Kalispera. And also bicycle park where you can rent bikes and have a small ride. And here you can see the sport yard with the sport equipment. You can make exercises there. I hope you can see it. Yes, it's right here. And of course coffee place, of course, because Greek people like to drink coffee.
Have you €2 to give me, please?
Are you Albanian?
No, Greek.
You Greek?
Yes.
What's happened with you?
I have a baby and I have no milk. I want €2 to take a milk, €5.
Why you're not working, honey?
I have depression.
You have depression? Oh, me the same.
Can you help me, please? I'm all the morning in 9 o'clock from 9 o'clock until 8 o'clock in the street. I have no legs.
No legs?
My heart hurts my legs. Always running to take €2.
Okay, wait. I will ask my friend. Maybe we. I don't know. Wait a second, okay? And also, guys, look here. You can see the birthplace of great Alexander, the Greek Alexander Great. It's here. It's here. Birthplace of great Alexander. His name Vergina, the birthplace of great Alexander. If you look to that place from above, you will see like a pyramids, and also there's a tomb and his grave.
Here is the hospital.
Okay, great. And here you can see the amazing lift constructions and the nice viewpoint, forest and amazing nature. And of course we have here Chinese supermarket, well, and many fields where Albanian people are working. Guys, thank you for watching my adventures going on. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me like, make the bell in a black color, give a like to this video, share it with your friends, write me nice comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. See you at the end of the world.